Hello YouTube, back again with another video. We have a couple of tools that I got from Matco and Cornwell, so it's gonna be a little tool haul. Start off with these sockets here. They're mid-length SAE 1/4" drive chromes. I haven't seen anyone that's done SAE 1/4 drive mid-length impacts. I know Matco does. Matco does the 1/4 drive metrics, but not the SAEs. So, still trying to find out who. Probably Snap-on, knowing them, but I don't want to pay $200 for some sockets. So, just so you guys get an idea, these are my Last. There's some Craftsman in here. Let's get, these are metrics, huh? This is a 1/2 inch, what you mostly use. Get a 1/2 inch. These are mostly all Craftsman, and then a couple Snap-on. 1/2 inch. Use a 1/2 inch Craftsman beside it, and then a 1/2 inch deep. So that's the middle ground right there. So got those. It is part number by gear wrench. It's right there in the corner. And then the sizes are 3/16 all the way to 9/16. That's what you get for those. Then here got restocked on gloves. Nothing that important. Just some gloves. So that's the side. And then I got a couple hats. This hat was sick. Look at that. 1919. That's a cool hat right there. And I got a Milwaukee hat. Cause I got one from the Home Depot, but it got torn up. So got another one from the truck. Then they sold the same price like Home Depot sold it for. So I have it for $20, yeah, roughly. Other cool things I got this Streamlight Stinger, Streamlight 2020, the new one. I decided to get this version because this one came with the charger. Part number right there. And this one was on the Cornwell truck. So see, it came with the little charger stand there. Or likely gonna mount it on that wood stud there. Kinda like that. So you'll know about this one. This is like up to 2,200 lumens on high. And then the great thing about this is the new design is flatter. So you can put your finger there and light up. I already engraved my name on this one, so I know there's 2 other mechanics have. So that's high, mid, and low. So, and then the batteries for these. Oh, there's actually another button on the back too. So you get 2 buttons. I did not know that. Put the camera now. There we go. You get two 18650 Streamlights right they're different batteries from the regular Stinger. So that's the only downside. But other than that, I think I have 2 of those at the house. I forgot to bring them though. So that's the Stinger. There, if you guys know about the stand, there's a stand. You get this is a sticker, the screws to mount this, and then your chargers. This is for your car, and then this is for regular charger. That's that one. Matco. Let's get over this one. This is a Vim 1/4 and 10 mil hex reversible bit ratchet. HBR 1046 is the part number. Reason why this one caught my eye really was for the 3/8 head. I already have a bunch of 1/4 drive bit. So there's the back. So it comes with these little adapters. You get a 3/8 and a 1/4. And what intrigued me was the 3/8 side. So I'm wondering, because there's some situations where you need a low pro like that. So I'm wondering if I could configure something smaller than this, even like not exactly like for example this, but cut shorter. So make a piece so it's even smaller than this. So that's my idea. That's what really intrigued me, this piece. Or maybe I could just use a regular bit, but I think this is a bigger bit. It says 10 millimeter hex, so probably bigger. I'll have to fabricate one, which isn't gonna be a big deal. So that's the idea. And then they're locking flex. Push it, move it wherever you want it, locks into that position. And then your 1/4 drive. I have a bunch of these already. Got it more for the 3/8 side. So there's that. That's all the Cornwell stuff. Put that aside. Matco stuff. These intrigued me. I've seen these online. He had them in the truck, so I got them. Find them right there in the corner. S3US1. They are spring-loaded universals. So, you know how you get an old cheapy universal, you gotta put some tape on it? Not anymore. Look at that. It comes with this nice foam piece here with the part number still on the side, so if someone's interested, part number, here's a 1/2 inch. Really neat design. I know also Capri Tools makes something like this to a certain extent, but I mean, might as well get it on the truck. So since we have the guy here, ever break one, get it warranted, no problem. So that's that extension set. And then last but not least, I've been doing a lot of dash work lately, so I decided to, I've seen this before but never really caught my eye until I was like, you know what, this would be cool for doing dash work. So MCL24 SET 24 piece 3.6 volt rechargeable cordless 1/4 drive bit driver set. So here's your paperwork and whatnot, and then you got your bits here, chargers, and then here's a magnetic bit piece for your, and then here's your forward, reverse, charging points right there in the black. Cool thing that I like, I'll make a video on it, but for just example purposes for right now. Get like one of them bit drivers, you get your, they give you this magnetic piece, which will come really in handy. I can put it on. Okay, let's not try this one. Let's try Phillips. Okay, there you go. For some reason, they don't want to go on this adapter piece for the 1/4" sockets, but I got it on a Phillips number 2. So the idea is to put it on a Phillips screw, and this presses it and holds it, or it's magnetic. So I thought this was really neat, because there's times where you can't hold the screw onto the actual bit, and now it keeps falling. So I'm really stoked that they had that. That's neat. So that's the idea. And then with it off, that's from the magnet. So, and then there's a part number right there again. So that's pretty neat. They give you a variety of bits, really long ones, medium ones, and short ones. You could add to it. You could probably take this charger, pull this out, put this in the electric box and snack drawer, and put more bits in there, more common ones that you use. So probably take this off, more bits in there, smaller ones. But yeah, that's this one. Pretty neat little bit driver. A couple features that was reading about it. Is right here, reaches up to 1.5 foot-pounds of torque automatically. That's the max it'll do, and then you can do it by hand after that. So that's pretty neat. When you're doing dash work, you gotta pull everything quick, boom, 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 and the pulling part shouldn't be hard. The inserting is easier now with this tool, and then you just go by hand, no problem. And yeah, that's what's that is that's the tool haul for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.